So in order to start recording your screen, what you can do is you can go over here onto the top left where it says record. So once you hit record, what happens is that you get this recorder right here. And then you need to know a few options before you start recording. So over here, you can see that there's the screen. So I can just go over here and choose full screen or select part of any screen. But to keep things simple, I'm just going to keep it full screen right now. So you also have option to turn on your camera if you want to show your face while you're talking with people. And you can also choose particular microphone. So in my case, I'm just going to choose line in microphone right here. And then you can choose the audio levels right here. So you can bring the audio level down and you can see that the volume is low, or you can bring the audio level up. And over here, you can see that the sound will get distorted if it reaches the red mark. So I'm just going to keep it down because I can always edit the audio later on. If you want your system audio to be recorded, you can turn this on. So whatever audio that is being produced by your machine will be recorded as well. So you can turn this off or on as per what you need. You can also turn this on and then leave it as it is because the system audio will be recorded as a separate audio layer so that you can individually edit it. So I'm just going to keep it off for now and start the record. So in order to start recording, you can see that there's the area right here which will be recorded. So that's the area which will be recorded. So I'm just going to hit on record. And now there's a countdown that happens right here. And after the countdown is over, the recording is started. So just like this, the recording is started now. So what I want to do is go around and then just record something. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and open up Microsoft Word. And let's say I want to do something over here. So I'm just going to go around here and I'm going to say, okay, this is the hello everyone, and this is the tutorial for Microsoft Word. And you can see that this is the interface of Microsoft Word. And over here on the top, there's the file menu, where you can access out different settings. There's home, insert, design, where you'll do a lot of things. So if you were to go over around here and say hi, you can see that you can directly type in right here. And there I have a pause right here. So I'm just going to go around and then now let us look at other things. So I'm going to go to layout, let's say for example, or design, and then I can select particular design that I want and I can see that the changes happen. So just similarly, you can see that this is happening. So what is happening is that the screen is being recorded and let's say now I want to stop it. So you can hit the F10 key to stop, or you can go over here and then go to the recorder just like this and hit the stop button as well. So once you hit the stop button, what happens is that that video clip is here now. So I'm just going to close down Microsoft Word, and here you can see that I have the video in the recorded form. And if I were to play this out, if I were to hit the space bar, I can play and see out. I can scrub through the video. So you can see the video is there and there's the audio level over here as well, which you can work around with. And this is simply how you record your screen inside of from Camtasia and use the recorder with different settings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.